All right, here we go again. Imagine this. You and your best friend want to make a deal. You say, if you wash my car, I'll give you 20 bucks. Simple, right? But what if you want to make sure there's no funny business? What if your friend doesn't wash the car after you give them the money? Or worse, you don't pay them after they've done the work. You'd need a middleman, maybe a mutual friend, to make sure both of you hold up your end of the deal. But what if you didn't need a middleman at all? That's where smart contracts come in. So what is a smart contract? Picture it like this. A smart contract is a digital agreement stored on a blockchain that automatically does what it's supposed to without needing anyone to manage it. No middleman, no third party, no need to trust anyone. Let's break it down with a fun, simple example, an online gift card system. You know those online stores where you can send someone a digital gift card? Imagine that process happening through a smart contract. Here's how it works. Step 1. You want to send a $50 gift card to a friend. Instead of sending the money to a company, you interact with a smart contract on the blockchain. Step 2. The smart contract is programmed with clear rules. If $50 is sent, create a digital gift card and send it to the recipient. And it automatically does this as soon as it receives the $50. No waiting for someone in an office to process the order. It just happens. Step 3. The recipient gets the gift card and uses it in the store. The store doesn't have to trust a company to handle the payment either. The smart contract already confirms the transaction is valid. Why is this so cool? No one can mess with the rules. Once the smart contract is on the blockchain, it's there forever. Nobody, not even the person who created it, can change the rules or tamper with the agreement. The deal is the deal, guaranteed. And because the blockchain is distributed across tons of computers worldwide, it's super secure. If anyone tries to cheat, everyone else in the network will see it and reject it. Let's make smart contracts even more relatable. Here are a few real-world examples where smart contracts could make life easier. Example 1. Renting an apartment. Say you're renting an apartment. You sign a lease, but what if the landlord doesn't return your security deposit when you move out? Annoying, right? With a smart contract, there's no need to argue. Here's how it would work. You send your security deposit to a smart contract when you sign the lease. The contract is programmed to automatically return your deposit when you hand back the keys, if the apartment is left in good condition, of course. It's all automatic, so nobody can cheat. Example 2. Selling a car. Imagine selling your car to someone online. You want the money, they want the car, but neither of you trusts each other. A smart contract makes the deal super easy. You and the buyer both send your parts of the deal, the car title and the money, to a smart contract. The contract releases the title to the buyer and the money to you only when both conditions are met. It's like a super reliable digital handshake. Example 3. Insurance payouts. You've probably heard horror stories of insurance companies taking forever to pay out claims after an accident or disaster. With a smart contract, it's different. Say your house gets damaged in a storm. The smart contract could be programmed to automatically verify the damage using weather data, release funds to you without having to deal with paperwork or adjusters. No more delays, just fair, instant action. So why trust a smart contract? Because it's not controlled by anyone. Once it's set up on a blockchain, the code cannot be changed, and everyone in the network watches to make sure it runs exactly as programmed. It's like having millions of digital witnesses who guarantee the agreement stays fair. And guess what? Kaichain fully supports these smart contracts. But what makes Kaichain stand out? It's not just fast, it's blazingly fast. Kaichain can handle up to 100,000 transactions per second. That means your smart contracts execute almost instantly with super low gas fees. Plus, it's eco-friendly, leaving a much smaller carbon footprint compared to other blockchains. With Kaichain, whether you're automating insurance claims, renting property, or even creating the next big decentralized app, smart contracts are easier, faster, and more secure than ever before. Plus, since Kaichain is fully EVM compatible, you can use all your favorite Ethereum-based tools. Only now, everything runs at warp speed. Now that you know how smart contracts work and how they're changing everything from gift cards to insurance claims, you can see why Kaichain is the future. It's smart, it's fast, and it's here to make blockchain technology work for you. If you like this video, consider subscribing to this channel and share the video to your friends. This encourages us to create more videos like this and educate everyone about blockchain.